Look at this. There are 2,659 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash that like button. If you came into cryptocurrency to get life-changing money, to get ridiculously rich, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep you up to date on all the news that moves the market, which is the most important news. Trading ideas, trading strategies, technical ideas for Bitcoin, as well as some altcoin setups. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin at about 9,089. So you've got this yellow rising wedge Bitcoin's been in. Now we're approaching this lower trend line. This is a major crossroads for Bitcoin right here. Okay, so now will Bitcoin put in essentially a double bottom right here? Will Bitcoin get a double bottom and then a break to the upside? So there's a 68% chance that this breaks higher, but there's a 68% chance that this breaks lower, this yellow rising wedge. And so right here, it's all about to happen. Now break to the downside. You're looking at 8,900, 8,700, 8,500. Okay, you have to assume this pattern, the price action just continues in this pattern until it doesn't. Now the bulls are looking for a bounce here. It would put in a double bottom similar to, double bottom right here, double bottom right here, double bottom right here. I got to give some shout outs. I had a really cool day today. Today was so busy with the trading group. I just got to tell you about some of these experiences I had. Just like talking to people on the phone. It's amazing to me, you guys, how much you've invested emotionally into crypto, and just kind of seeing like people have these aha moments just in general. And this gentleman, he joined the group about a week ago, and he said, hey, I've joined a bunch of trading groups, and it seemed to me like they're a bunch of cash grabs, a bunch of subpar traders. And he was a realtor in Las Vegas. Everything's about to collapse, right? He was concerned about what to do for work. And now, so he's looking to get his commercial real estate career off the ground. And he was concerned, what do I do for work? What do I do to make money? And then he said trading will bridge the gap and then some until his commercial real estate career takes off. Like this, I can't even tell you guys how good this makes me feel to be able to be here on a regular basis, like seeing this type of effect on people that watch this channel, that join the trading group, that just are a part of any type of influence that I can have on somebody that's positive. Like I can't even tell you the sense of fulfillment this gives me. So again, this is pretty amazing. $4,000 profit on KNC. Huge gains in KNC. Like I can't even, man, that thing exploded. I gave you guys a setup on this channel. This gentleman was real sharp. I talked to him today on the phone, and he's a younger guy, 20, 21 years old, right? And in this, read this. He says, I'm glad I'm not in college learning BS. I love being out of the rat race. And a lot of people would say, well, is that the right type of thinking to have? You're glad you're out of college. he said, you know, I joined the trading group and your ideas made me around $3,000 the first week or so and another $1,000 towards the end of the month. And again, he's young. You know, he said today, like, just going to his parents now, like, understanding, like, he's got this whole new world is the verbiage that he used, opening up to him. He was trading Robinhood. He was trading on Robinhood and talking about how he did really well in Tesla, made a bunch of money on Tesla, but just felt Tesla was too manipulated. And I'm thinking, welcome to crypto, where the manipulation is worse than anywhere else you've ever seen. Anyways, but yeah, just some phenomenal, just great feedback from everybody. I just had a real good day today because of this. So I thank you guys for reaching out. I got so many thank you emails from KNC, like we killed it. This person's up 253%. Right now, just so you guys know, 40% off and 50% off if you pay for 6 or 12 months in crypto or even PayPal. You know, just email me for instructions on doing so. KNC, I gave you guys this setup, and it's been amazing. This was posted on 6:30 a few days ago, and I talked to you guys about the news. Kyber DAO, Kyber Catalyst, buy the breakout of the bull flag. Boom, moved to the upside. We started buying it in the beginning of the month in the trading group. We're up 206% on it. It's ridiculous. Since I posted it here, you guys, if you got in on that setup, you'd be up about 87% gains. Killing it. This is a free one for you guys. This is REP. Augur version 2 is coming July the 28th. Pay attention to this one now. So you're buying the breakout. Here's the targets over here. I want you to look at this market structure here. Okay, just kind of look at this rounded type bottom and then almost like a cup and handle type pattern right here. Okay, now look at this market structure. You got this kind of rounded bottom, okay, and then not exactly the same cup. I'm talking right here, kind of a cup and handle type form. Okay, so again, KNC, huge 87% gains after the breakout. Here is REP. It's right here at that level. You know, essentially you're waiting for the breakout here. WRX, another one I talked to you guys about. You can see you got this triple bottom forming. These falling wedges are my favorite. Triple bottom, WRX, boom, moved to the upside. Huge profits. Why is all this happening? Why are these altcoins taking off? Bitcoin dominance is getting wrecked. Now, if this Bitcoin dominance breaks lower, we could see an altcoin run like we saw in May. And May was ridiculous. Like everybody's just up so much in May. Like it was ridiculous. Everybody's up 100% on their portfolios, right? Or more. And so just be, I mean, we've had a good couple days here, but I tell you what, this support breaks and it's on. Altcoin season. Let's go. Now there's rumors that VRA could be next to be listed on Binance. Shout out to Joe Cam, sent me this, and he was over in the DeFi's, which is XGM ticker. And he's over there. He started this. Who is your favorite crypto YouTuber? I need you to go to DeFi's Telegram channel and vote for me. So real quick, so DeFi's or XGM, it's a new blockchain specifically designed to improve DeFi by solving existing limitations. So with DeFi's, you can borrow money, earn interest, exchange crypto, and create your own cryptocurrencies. So one of the concerns with smart contract privacy is it's lacking right now in DeFi applications. So DeFi is set up so that the terms of any smart contract are only viewable to the parties involved in the contract, which is smart. I mean, it makes sense. Like, you don't want everybody to know your business all the time. Tron Foundation, it happened. They're the #4 crypto. #4 crypto that has an emoji on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. So yeah, Tron has some news coming on July the 7th. See if that setup breaks out to the upside that I gave you guys the other day. Remember, Tron is not going to move as much as these smaller cap coins, mid cap coins, right? It's a larger cap coin. It takes more money to move Tron. Okay, so will it have a pump? Yes, but probably not on the scale as Kyber or BNT or any of these smaller coins. Okay, so just understand that when you're looking at these trades and these ideas and how much you're going to make over time, it's harder to 3x, 5x, 10x the large caps. Matic, check this out, 67% staking, 4-day summary. So Matic started staking 4 days ago. People are making 67% APR on their Matic stake tokens. Now, it's important to understand the way staking works. The more people you have staking the coins, the less the payout. So this number is going to come down. Blockchain dollars, and you guys know I like Coty, and blockchain dollars is a wallet and payment system that uses fiat and stable coins, allows gaming merchants, gaming's going to be big, allows gaming merchants to accept stable coins as a form of payment based on a white label version of Coty's payment infrastructure. Any payment type cryptos, I'm telling you, like, they're too volatile for any type of payment system. Right? It's just too much volatility. Like these stable coins, watching these, there's other cryptos that are doing it, but these cryptos are going to come out with stable coins, right? Stablecoin versions on their blockchain. Chainlink, listen to these numbers. Chainlink is expected to spend 20 million more than Ethereum on its ecosystem development this year. Chainlink, man, this has been epic upside. 500,000 Chainlink are set to node operators twice a month. At current prices, this is about $5 million a month, or close to $60 million annually. At the same time, the Ethereum Foundation is spending $30 million this year. However, Ethereum's market cap is 15 times that of Chainlink node operators. So it was interesting to see that Huobi integrates services with Chainlink and it's going to support the network with a standalone node. Really, Huobi is getting paid here, right? And again, big news. There's so much upside, and I want to talk to you guys about the possible targets for a breakout of the Chainlink setup USDT pair. Now, if Bitcoin moves lower, you're going to see a retrace here, right? At the end of the day, Bitcoin runs this market, period. Okay, Bitcoin's the puppet master. Now, so because on previous occasions, Chainlink ran up to this resistance level around about $4.80 or so. Okay, so and I talked to you guys about this, we bought Chainlink at $2.32 down here in the trading group. And yeah, we've had pretty much epic upside. Price action has to break out above this level for changes to occur, because essentially the price action got rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. And so basically you're looking for a change. So why does this level have to be broken, Chris? What is it so important about $4.80? All the sellers are up here. All the sellers. If you went on Chainlink's order books and you look, there's going to be a ton of sell orders stacked right here. Remember, these resistance levels, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. This is a graphical representation of what's happening in the order book. Okay, that's why it works so well. So just know that the bulls here have to push through this level. Look at the amount of time it took to get from here. So 4 months, so it could essentially range up here and work its way higher. But again, this all starts when it breaks to the upside. Get a breakout to the upside. As soon as it gets this retest right here, then it brings all the buyers into the market and it's going to catapult itself higher. And that's a buy signal, right? So these retests are golden. As far as price targets go, after the breakout happens, you're looking at $5.27, $5.74, $6.20, and then $6.87. And again, I don't expect this to happen immediately. It's going to take some time for this to play out. And then if Bitcoin pulls back, this will too. There's a lot of success in the world that exists on a regular basis that doesn't involve going through the school system. Okay, there's a lot of self-made millionaires and billionaires that didn't essentially use what they learned in school as far as their degree goes, right? So as an example, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, who has more money than Bitcoin's entire market cap. He could buy all of Bitcoin. He could buy all the circulating supply of Bitcoin. Remember, when Bezos started Amazon, he started out of his garage. It was a bookseller. He was a bookseller. In the early days, a bell would ring in the office every time someone made a purchase, and everyone would gather around to see if they knew the customer. Things have changed. What I'm really trying to put out there to you guys is you guys can accomplish anything you want to. You just have to not fit and put yourself inside this box, right? You constantly have to continue to learn. Whatever you're doing in life, you constantly have to continue to develop. And this is real fitting to cryptocurrency, because what we're learning every single day is going to catapult us to financial freedom going forward. And so, like I said, and I talk to you guys about this all the time, it's very important just to continue to educate yourself in this space. Just know that there'll come a day where you will win, and they will come to you and they will say, hey, tell me about Bitcoin. And that's happening a lot now, more than I've ever seen since I've been in cryptocurrency. I mean, obviously people are watching videos, they're emailing me, they're contacting me on Instagram, every single social media platform that I have and didn't even imagine using 3 years ago. Everybody's hitting me up, asking me, like, tell me about Bitcoin. What should I do here? What should I do here? Tell me about this. Then you win. RSR is going to be listed in the RX wallet. So RSR, big news. Shout out to Elizabeth for this news. Critical Ravencoin update. So the team at Ravencoin has found that Ravencoin blockchain has a vulnerability which was used by unknowns to mint RVN. It goes beyond the Coinbase of 5,000 RVN per block. Please update your wallets and nodes. Again, they were just printing Ravencoin. Hey, just like the United States prints dollars, they were printing Ravencoin. Better get that taken care of. There are more DAI on Compound now than there are DAI in the entire world. How is that even possible? So, at least according to the numbers reported on Compound's website. So, assuming that everything is not gone awry, the numbers seem impossible. So, DAI on chain, there's 108 million DAI. Compound Finance is stating that, hey, we've got 344 million. Question mark, what's going on here? So there was a rules change. So the rules change went into effect Thursday. It tweaked incentives for those looking to mine new comp. Be careful with this stuff. I feel like this is kind of scammy. Rules change. Well, what if you hold a bunch of coins and then they pull a rules change on you and you get wrecked? Vitalik said, hey, we underestimated how long proof of stake and sharding would take to complete. Well, you know what? They're trying to do something that's never been done, and everybody underestimated it, right? He's talking about doing it, and actually doing it are not, are not the same. Cardano parent signs a custody agreement with Coinbase to allow ADA staking. IOHK, the company behind Cardano, they've announced it signed an agreement with Coinbase custody. So this partnership is going to allow ADA holders who hold their funds on Coinbase custody solution to retain their ability to delegate their stake. The company said in a press release shared with CryptoSlate. So again, this is Coinbase custody and being able to delegate their stake in Cardano. ERD. Again, they throw around a name like Samsung, powered by Elrond, available on select Samsung devices. Samsung secret partner, ERD. So they've got this PvP Battle of Elrond arena where the ERD transactional layer for digital natives is looking to break away from slow, fee-laden, privacy-invasive traditional alternatives. Elrond believes it's got Cardano, EOS, and Algorand beat. And so they're supposed to launch with 10,000 transactions per second, everything working, sharding immediately, ready. Right? And so they're saying, hey, we're beating Ethereum right now. We're about to do what Ethereum can't do. And we're going to start now. They're about to announce the date of the mainnet launch. Tron jumps into the DeFi frenzy with 3 new products. So there's some big news on Tron as far as staking goes, coming up on July the 7th. The Just DeFi team, they're going to launch Just Lend, which where Tron users can earn interest and borrow assets against collateral. Just Swap is a decentralized on-chain protocol for token exchange, and Just BTC is a TRC20 token backed one-to-one by Bitcoin. What I want you to focus on here is staking got hot. Everybody wanted staking. Well, all these Matic's got staking now. Everybody's got staking. Now DeFi's hot. Like these cryptos, they're trying to pump the price. They're trying to pump their prices. Well, what's hot right now? What is everybody? What's pumping? What's the newest thing, right? And so they're going to move. They're going to just pivot. You got to be able to pivot in this market. They're just saying, hey, if this is what's hot, we got to get it. We got to get into it. You know, you'll see a lot of these cryptos move to DeFi. Like the list of DeFi tokens is now huge. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.